be telling you guys the 5 days and Pashto. So let's just begin. The first day is the Betukuye, and the Betukuye is used for a singular male. For example, Sarai, Ladgai, and Khatakai. So the second year is the Landaye, and that year is used for plural male. So like it's a plural. For example, Sade, Ladge, and Khatake. And that is like, there's like more than one of that thing. And the third year is the Lakilarunke year, and that year is used for this singular female. And for example, Agri, Kochi, and Spurmani. And the fourth year is the Ujda year, and that year they use it for plural female. And for example, Shide, Khoje, and Maste. And the last year is the Amriya year, and they use this year for like commanding somebody. And for example, Makawi, Wukhri, and Wugori. So make sure you guys practice these a lot, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye!